Okay, so here's the front of the trailer, but everything on it is all in good shape. It's a 2007 Cherokee Lite. I want to say it weighs like 6,200 pounds. Can't remember off the top of my head, but I mean, it's easy. You could tow it with something like that, like the F-150 would tow it. So let's walk around here. So it's got two 6-volt deep cycle batteries in it. They're wired up together. Two brand new propane tanks on it, totally filled up. I just barely took the caps off of them, so they're totally full and brand new. Set up for a bar style stabilizer hitch that does come with it, so I'm including that for free. Let's pan around here a little bit. So all the graphics are in generally good shape for its age. There are some that are starting to peel a little bit, but down here, and here's your water heater, all in good shape. That lights up. Storage under there. Around, like the slide out is all in good shape, and the rubber's all in good shape on it. There's no issues with it. A little dirty, but all in good shape. There's some storage right there. Tires and the wheels. That axle right there is brand new. It did have an axle blow out on it, so we would put a brand new axle on it. Tires are all in good shape on it. I want to say they're from 2021, but they're in good shape. There's a slide out. Sorry about the noise, cleaning our boat and have the generator running. And there's storage right there, all the hoses. There's an outside shower right there. All your hookups. So let's pan back, sorry. So other side of the slide, it's all in good shape. All the lights work on it. Spare tire on it is in good shape. You can see, like, there's a few graphics on it that are starting to crack, but more storage over there. There's your awning, and it's all in good shape. It's brand new, brand new. There's your tires. See, they're in good shape. No cracking or anything on them like that. The wheel wells. Hasn't had any blowouts or anything like that. Outside speakers, but one of them is broken. And then your more storage up front. And then you got jacks on all four corners. I believe they use a 3/4 inch. And then there's also a propane hookup. So you can hook up like a camp chef or something like that and just open the gas valve and you're good to go. This little thingy sticking out right here is actually for a cooler that's inside this door. So there's literally like a cooler cover, so you can actually put ice in there and everything. So kind of a cool little add-on that someone has got on there. So yeah, it's all in good shape. Let's go inside. I'll turn some stuff on for you. Close that door real quick. Okay. So here is the inside. A couple stools. There is a little ding right there that this thing came off. I actually do still have it. I meant to glue it back on. Right there. There is a DVD system in it, and it will play through all the speakers in the trailer, and there is a ton of them. They're over there. Two in the back, and then a subwoofer right there. And then also the one in the bedroom. Counters, all in generally good shape. The faucets are all in good shape. Little garbage disposal right there, little garbage bin. There's a water pump and all that. They're all empty. Batteries. There's your water heater and your water pump. Coming over here, your stovetop. Sorry, it's a little dirty. I meant to clean that and totally forgot about that part. Oven. And microwave. It works. And coming over here, here is your fridge and your freezer, and it is on and working. No check light. All of it's in good shape. Panning around, this is the slide out. So here's the table. That does fold into a bed. There's a little ding right there. There are skylights actually inside the slide out. I have never seen that before. Two of them, actually. There's one over there. Here's the couch, and it folds out into a bed as well. You just literally pull it right out into a jackknife couch. Let's go up front. So there's where you'll mount your TV. So it does have the mount. And all your hookups are right up there. So your aux cables, and it will run off the batteries if you want. And your power for it and everything. It does have accordion doors on both sides. So you do get privacy in that master bedroom. So coming back here, there's the floor. All in good shape. All the lights work. Open up the cabinets. These are in good shape. All the way across, it's all in good shape. Nightstands on both sides. Actually, really big nightstands. There's the floor on that side. Let's open this one up. Okay, all in good shape. And your nightstands. And you got plugs on both sides for cell phones. Anything you'd like to plug in right there. I'm actually going to turn those lights off so I can turn on the AC. So I'm running on generator power right now. My generator's not terribly large. So if I fire up this massive AC unit, it might flip the breaker on the generator. Well, let's come back here. I'll show you the back real quick. So here is your bathroom sink. It's in good shape. It's all in good shape. All your water hoses, your cleaners, everything. Here's your toilet. Looks like a little bit of the wallpaper is peeling off, but that's all solid and everything. That's not water damage, just the wallpaper coming up. Just from the heat. Up there, that's all solid. That's all in good shape. There's your wall right there, and the door. It's in good shape. Okay. So let's come back to the bunk room. So there's a little bit of storage right there, like a little tiny cabinet. There is an accordion door on this one as well that closes all the way shut. So you have 2 bunks over here. They are all, I want to say they're actually 6 feet 2 inches, 6 feet 3 inches. They're all the same size. And then there's a big cabinet in the middle for toys, kids' clothes, whatnot. All that. A couple drawers down there. There is some blinds right there that could use replacing. Those ones are pretty tapped out. So probably gonna need some blinds for sure. There are outlets on both sides. Let's turn the AC on. You can probably hear that. Takes a second to get called. There we go, now it's getting cold. So that one runs really well. You can close this one and run it through all the vents in the ceiling. There's one there. There is one right there above your bed, so you can kind of aim that down at you at night. There's one right there. There's one back here for the bunk room. I think that's it. Yep. Okay, so that's the AC. So let's crank the furnace on so you can hear the blower motor. Everything. There's the furnace. No noises, no nothing. Everything works on it. It's all in good shape. Here is your water pump and your water heater. And those both work. And then let's have the slide out come in so you can actually see that come in. So there's just a switch on the wall, so just hold it down. There you go. All the way in. Let's bring it back out. That's it. Stereo. The DVD player will play the stereo system through all the speakers and outside speakers. Just remember that one needs replacing. It does come with your hoses, the sewage hose and your freshwater hose, extension cable, power adapter if you need to go from a 30 amp to a 15 amp. I just have it hooked into my generator tonight right now, and that works good. So, if you have any questions, shoot me a message. Thank you.